the staples, wrecking bar, so you don't damage your paint. Lubricant for the nailing gun. Put the oil down there. Good move.
But you have to do that. I like everything that I do. I like. Now I feel like I'm actually doing something.
Right.
Not just.
Okay, so I'm about to cut this other one for the ceiling. I'm gonna trim out there, this area.
That one's done.
So I'm doing 136. Inch 8. 8 is just another way of saying half. So here we are, getting the molding up for the ceiling. Got the horseshoe complete. So when you're pulling out nails and you have your material that's already painted or finished, you do that, bite on the nail and then so you don't damage the finished paint. Make sure you got enough bullets in there. More supplies in there. Apron. And it's a framing gun down there.